Hello everyone, this is a demo of the multi-board flashing tool via USB DFU. We'll use AM62A HSFS boards and it will flash bootloader binaries to the eMMC. Right now I have connected only two boards and the third one will be connected later. I will run the script now. You can see it has detected two devices. Right now it's booting the first boot via USB DFU by sending tiboot3.bin, tispill.bin and uboot image. I'm using Minicom to read the console logs from the boards. It is sending the unb.txt files which contains the environment variables for flashing. Now it will flash the tiboot3.bin, tspill.bin and the uboot image. The first boot has been detached and the flashing on the second board has been started. You can see it's booting the board via USB DFU again. While it's flashing to the board, let us connect the third board. You can see the flashing on the second board is finished and now script is waiting for the new devices. So it has detected our board which we connected before and now it's booting the board via USB DFU and it will flash the same bootloader binaries to our third board too. You can see the flashing on it has started. Thank you.